Hi everyone, in today's video I will be making holiday special soap. For this video I'm using Melt and Pour soap base of two different kinds. One of them is white soap base, another one is glycerin clear soap base. I'm making a total of 2 pounds of soap and I'm using 1.5 pound of my white soap and 0.5 pound of clear glycerin soap. I'm planning to use a clear glycerin soap because I want to do colored swirls in the soap. So I'll be using Santa red color and I will try to make some swirls in the soap with that. So let's get started and see how it comes out. Thank you for joining me. Okay, so this is the white soap base I'm using and here is my glycerin soap base and I'm going to cut and measure it now. Okay, so I have already cut my melt and pour soap in the cubes and now I will be melting these, and I have to have everything else ready before I do that because as soon as I melt it I have to add my fragrance, that's cranberry fig I'll be using today, and I have to add my color, and after that I have to pour it in the molds at the same time because I'm trying to do swirls, and if I wait then one might start settling in. Okay, I have already melted both of the soaps and now I have to add color in this one and I'll add all the fragrance in this one, maybe a little bit only in this one, and then I have to quickly pour it in this mold so I can make the swirls, otherwise it's going to start cooling down. Okay, I will be adding the fragrance in this before it cools down so much. Mix it well. And then I have this one. Before it starts cooling down, I'm gonna add a little bit leftover fragrance in this just so it has a nice smell also. Sorry, I don't have a very good camera setup, but trying my best. And now I have to add Santa red color in this, the crafter choice Santa red color that I'll be pouring in this. I want it to be a little dark. Ooh, that's like a blood red. Beautiful color though. I'm gonna add a little bit strong color. I think I'm ready to pour it in the mold now. Both of the soaps, before they cool down too much, I would like to have it in the mold, and that's all. I mean, it's as simple as that, you know. Okay, I'll be pouring both of these colors at the same time. Let's see. I don't know how it's gonna go. First I'm gonna pour a little bit of this and then I'm gonna start pouring this one in the middle. Ooh. I think I should have more white.
Day and ask you how it is. Why are you